Okay, if you need to graph x plus 3y is greater than 4, the first thing you need to do is determine at least 2 points. So I started with changing it to an equation where I have an equal sign. Let y be equal to 0 and solve for x, and you get 4. Let y be equal to 1, substitute that in right here where the y is, and you'll end up with 1 for your x value. Same thing, a negative 1 in here for y, that would give me a negative 3. To get rid of the negative 3, you want to add it to the other side, so I add 3 to both sides, so that would give me 7. So I'd have x is equal to 7, y is equal to a negative 1. Okay, so I can take these 3 points, which make ordered pairs, 4, 0, 1, 1, and 7, a negative 1. Those are all ordered pairs. Plot them over here on a graph. You've got 7 minus 1, 4, 0, and 1, 1 right here. So I draw the line, but we've got an inequality, it's greater than, so the line is dashed. Okay, but what's going to happen now is you need to know which side of that equation would make it a true statement. So the next thing you do is you pick a point on this side of the line. So I chose 0, 0. So I come over here into this inequality and I substitute 0 where x is and 0 for y is for the point 0, 0. And then work it out. Does that make a true problem? No, because 0 is not greater than 4. So obviously I'm not going to shade this area. So now I pick another point. I come over here and I pick over 0 up 3 because that's on this side of the dashed line. So 0, 3. I substitute in 0 for x, 3 for y, and I solve the inequality again. So I get 0 plus 9 is greater than 4. Is 9 greater than 4? Yes, that's a true statement. So therefore you shade everything on the side of the line where 0 and 3 is. So everything, every single point from that side of the dashed line up, if you substitute it back into this inequality, will make a true statement. So if you're asked to graph x plus 3y is greater than 4, then this is what the graph will look like with the shading on the top side of the line.